Hi, welcome to Plane and Saw. The point of this channel is to focus on 18th and 19th century furniture and woodworking techniques and build videos. It's called with Plane and Saw because that's how everything was done back then, was with plane and saw, so I figure that's a fitting name. I really like traditional woodworking tools, wooden hand planes, traditional chisels, molding planes, traditional saws, the way it was done, even on an old-fashioned English style workbench. Don't mind the partially done setup I have here. The drywall is going to be covered with something nicer, and it's going to be all set up sort of like a traditional woodworking shop just in this area, as I am a furniture maker for clients. So this is a corner of my furniture shop, and all my bench work gets done here on my current furniture projects. But a hobby of mine is studying the way it used to be done with traditional tools, and I still use some of these traditional tools in my modern furniture, but my channel will be mainly focused on doing furniture pieces from the era that these tools were used, and projects and techniques and setup videos and everything like that. So sorry if this start of this video is a little bit awkward, not quite used to talking to the camera, but I hope to get more comfortable as it goes along, and I hope you follow along, like, comment, and subscribe if you like traditional woodworking and traditional techniques.